G'day. So sometimes we're going to continue our Excel lesson here. Sometimes when you're copying information from one worksheet to another, again, you're assuming that it's going to copy and paste all the formulas you want. And so you check the formulas and hey, yeah, it copied everything. Let's say it didn't. Let's say for some reason one of your formulas or a few of your formulas or all of your formulas didn't copy over. And so when you go to enter information, it doesn't change, okay? Now it should, okay, if we do that when the formula is still there, you'll see how that changes to a 31. But let's say that if that stays as a 32 and you change this information, it's not going to carry over. Okay, so how do we prevent that? How do we, or what can we do if that were to happen? Well, it's really simple. We go back to our original page where we got all the formulas from. And what we need to do is we need to copy this. Okay, so we're going to copy that. We're going to delete. And we're going to paste. Oops. Let me go back here. Control C. Right click, paste special. Okay. And it'll allow me to paste a number of different things. I can just paste the values. I can paste comments. In this case, we want to paste formulas. So we're going to do that. Okay. And then as you can see, when I change my data in my spreadsheet, this value in J2 will change. There you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Later.